do it. Ready? 1, 2, and here we go. 3. Awesome. All right.
Good job. This is Alex's first time fishing with real bait and everything. Good job, Alex. Are you going to catch a big fish? Yeah. No, I hope you don't catch a puffer fish.
Mommy, you want to try?
Yeah, I will in a minute. And here's Evan. He's not fishing yet, but he has a fishing pole. Evan, where's your fishing pole? Evan.
Let's see how this baby works.
Here goes Daddy.
Oh. Nice. Huh? Uh-oh, he put his choo-choo in the water.
Uh-oh, the choo-choo's gonna go away. And Mommy will get the choo-choo. Here you go. And there they go, fishing. Hopefully they'll catch one.